this is sensitive stuff. You know that, right? If corporate finds out I leak this to the public and the competitors see it, I'm screwed. They'll have my head. Okay. So at our plant, the problem was that it was in how we actually captured the data. We had all sorts of systems. It was straight out of the 90s. You know, we were writing down downtime on sheets of paper. We had OEE guesstimates on the whiteboard. So like, it was so time consuming to gather the data. And then when we did, we had no idea if it was really accurate or if it really was the true full story, you know? We were considering whether we wanted to open a new plant to meet demands, but we didn't even know if the plant we had was at capacity because the data was just all over the place. So that's when one of the guys I golf with actually recommended that I check out. So I gave the team there a call, and after a demo, I was convinced to try it out. We started with 5 lines, pretty soon moved to 10, and then the whole site, and it's completely changed the game. Now the data capture it's seamless, it happens by itself, and it's accurate every time. Now the plant is performing so efficiently, we've realized we don't even need to open up a new plant because we had so much efficiency we could unlock in the existing one. So it's completely changed the game, and my role within the organization, they respect me so much now. They even call me the data whisperer.
Aren't you the guy from Legal Operations?
Yeah, I won, that's me.
Yeah, that's what it. Congrats, man.
Thank you, appreciate that. Can we cut here?